Hey everyone, welcome back to Next Step Solutions. We're going to be talking about Microsoft Edge today. It's a popular web browser, especially if you're a Windows user, and though it has many flaws, like its lust for using as much memory as it can on your machine, it also has some neat features that you should be taking advantage of. It's also great in a business or work environment if you're using Microsoft 365 for your email accounts. So let's go ahead and hop straight into it. To start things off, let's go over a bit of Microsoft Edge's history. It hit the stage in 2017 and was first made available to Android and iOS devices. 1 year later, Microsoft then decided to completely remake Edge based on the Chromium open source project. Ironic, because this project was mainly developed by Google. In 2020, Edge was fully released to most devices except for Xbox and Linux, which would later release in 2021. Finally, in June of 2022, Edge completely replaced Internet Explorer as the default web browser built into Windows. Now that you're all caught up on Edge's history, let's hop straight into using it. When you launch Edge for the first time, you'll most likely be brought to a welcome pop-up screen that asks you to sign into Edge and sync your data. At this point, you'll need a Microsoft account or a work or school account that uses Microsoft 365. If you have a Hotmail account, this should also work. You'll notice it says enter email including Gmail in the sign-in window. This is because you can create a Microsoft account using a Gmail account. Once you're signed into Edge, all of your settings, bookmarks, passwords, and so on are now persistent with your account used to sign in. So you can go to another computer, sign into Edge with your account, and all of your stuff pulls right up. If you don't see the welcome prompt to sign into Edge, you can click the icon that looks like a person in the top left corner. You should see a button to sign in, and you'll be prompted for the same account credentials that you saw earlier. Now that you're signed in, let's look at the navigation bar at the top of the window. From here, you can type in a website to go to, or search for something on the web. You also have your favorites bar with your saved sites. You can bookmark or favorite a site by clicking the star icon to the right of the search box. It allows you to name it and organize it on your favorites bar. You can also create folders on your favorites bar for even more organization. To do this, right-click on the bar and select the Add Folder option. From here, you can also adjust when the favorites bar shows up, remove the favorites icon, and manage all of your favorites. Other settings can be found by clicking the 3 horizontal dots in the top right of the window. I'm going to go over some of the basic settings and tools in this video, but just know they have some more advanced settings and tools in this area as well. From here, you can adjust the zoom of the web pages you visit. You can check your history if you're trying to find something you've been to in the past. You can check all your downloads that you've done from Edge, check your browser extensions, clear your browsing data, print the page that you're on, and screenshot the page that you're on as well. They also have the More Tools option, which has a useful option to cast your screen to another device. From here, you can also select Settings, which will bring you to your overall Microsoft Edge settings and account settings. Now that we're here, let's talk about this profile area. This is where you can manage your accounts that you've signed into Edge with. You also can access all of your browser settings here, things like passwords, payment information for cards that you've used in Edge, and some neat Microsoft rewards that let you earn points that you can redeem for things like gift cards and sweepstakes. There are 2 ways to get to this profile area, the way you saw a moment ago, and by clicking on your profile icon in the top left corner, then clicking the gear icon. From the overall settings page, you can also manage your privacy and security settings while using Edge, and clear your browsing data, which is useful when troubleshooting browser issues. You can also change your browser's appearance and customize it, change startup and home page settings, and manage all of your browser's cookies and site permissions from this portal. Some other useful things to note in this area are the family safety settings, printer options for printing from your browser, the quick setup area for linking your phone with your Edge account, and this About Microsoft Edge option, which is where you can go to make sure your browser is up to date. As always, everyone, thank you for making it to the end of the video. If you liked what you saw and felt like you learned something that you didn't know, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all at the next one.